guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a drugstore back to school makeup tutorial because I know as a student makeup is expensive, so we need those cheap brands. This is a collab with my YouTube friend Natchala. I'm so excited because we've been like DMing back and forth about this and like planning it and everything like that, and her videos are so good, so I just want you guys to check out her channel, check out her video. All of her links will be in the description, so be sure to check out all of her info because she's just great. She's so nice, like just all good things, so you guys should definitely check out her video. So she is going to be doing more of like the fashion aspect of inexpensive back to school, and I'm doing the makeup part, so together you just have a whole look and you're gonna be killing it at school. I'm going to be starting out with my eyes. You guys know I start out with my eyes in like every single tutorial because I just feel like I get too much fallout on my face to not start out with my eyes. So the primer that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Master Prime. This is a primer that I use even when I'm not like picking out drugstore products. I use this primer, it's really good. Funny story actually, I was out at a family barbecue and I was in the pool and my sister decided to be a funny idea to dunk me in the water, and my eyeshadow stayed on, mascara was off, face makeup actually stayed on pretty well, don't know how that happened, but my eyeshadow was like super intact and I was like, thank you primer, how are ya? I'm gonna set this with my CoverGirl Matte and Clean powder because I always set this. I just feel like it will come off if I don't. So for me, for back to school personally, I put on eyeshadow because I'm also super extra, so that could definitely contribute to that. But I do have a really good eyeshadow palette. So this is the, whoa, I'm so sorry about that. This is the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflections eyeshadow palette, and this is in Rosé. They look like this. It's a palette that you'd honestly find at Sephora. It's very pretty. So yeah, I really like it. I'm going to be taking this color right here, and I'm going to be blending this on my crease. Also, right now I'm using my lights. I don't typically use my lights all the time. I kind of more just use them if I need them because most of the times I film during the day, but it actually is the daytime right now and we are in the middle of a hurricane. Okay, like I'm not kidding you. It was thundering, lightning, like it was on like crack. Like I'm not even kidding. It was a thunderstorm on steroids, really is what it was. It was insane and it was just going crazy. So it's so dark out and it's still the daytime. So we just love that. This primer has some like glitter and shimmer to it, which I know some people like a matte primer, but I personally like something with a little bit of glitter because it just, already my brow bone is highlighted and I've done nothing. The next color I'm going to be taking is this color right here. I was debating between this color and this color, but I'm gonna go with this one just to deepen it up a little bit. So for me, another reason that I like to do my eyeshadow before is I like to bring my eyeshadow out just to make sure that it's super blended. That was not my stomach, that was thunder. And then of course, just keep blending. So now for my lid, which I'm super duper excited about, I'm going to be taking this color right here. You guys can see it's so pretty and shimmery. So I'm first going to try to put it on just alone, and then I'm going to see if I need to spray my brush just to get it more pigmented because I love a good shimmer on my eyelid. But I like when you can see it. So I actually am not going to go back over and spray my brush just because I feel like the shimmer just looks very pretty and it looks very blended, so I don't want to go, because sometimes when I spray my brush and then do shimmer on my lid with any eyeshadow, with any eyeshadow palette, I feel like it does get harder to blend with your crease shades. Okay guys, so this is the eyeshadow look. So I'm going under my eye and just doing a swipe. Right now I'm going to finish up my eyes and I'm going to put on fake eyelashes. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've talked about this in my last video. I have been wanting to wear fake eyelashes, but I'm just scared because every time I want to wear them, it's for like an event, and I just am not comfortable enough wearing them for long periods of time because I'm always scared that they're gonna come up. So I'm using this Kiss Lash Glue, and then I'm using the Ardell Natural Lashes. Okay guys, so the lashes are finally on. They were a hassle. Also looks like a dead spider got splattered on my hand. Right now I'm going to be doing my face makeup. I'm really excited for this because I have some new products I'm going to try, and then mostly products that I have discovered that I really like and that I've actually been using in my regular makeup routine. So yeah. So the first thing is a primer. So I'm using the Master Prime from Maybelline. So this is Blur and Redness Control. It's like the green primer. So this is actually my sister's. I've never used it before just because I had a primer that I did like. I put on way too much. I've always had a primer that I did like, but I'm gonna try this. But on way too much. But that's okay. I use the Fenty Beauty Primer, which has always worked for me. But in honor of Drugstore, we're going to be trying this new one. Because when I was using a Drugstore primer, I was using this NYX Pore Filler. And if I'm being 100% honest with you guys, don't purchase this. I don't like it. It made my makeup separate and look really bad. So I do feel like my skin looks a lot less red, which is good because that's what it's supposed to do. And my face does look blurred. Doing good so far, Mabel. Doing good. Mabel is short for Maybelline, and it wasn't funny. For my foundation, I really don't know what to use because I have my Maybelline Fit Me foundations that I use all the time. You guys see them in my regular tutorials as well. But I kind of want to spice things up. I just don't know if this spice is too dark, but we're going to try it. So I'm using the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous shade 205. This genuinely may be too dark for me, but we're gonna try it because I just want to try some new stuff that I either haven't used in a while or haven't used at all. But you know, I think it matches my neck because my face is definitely paler than my neck right now. Come on, tan, pull through. Yeah, so very happy with this coverage. You guys can see it looks really good and really glowy. Wow, it might have even been a little bit light, which I'm honestly surprised about because it looks so dark in the bottle. But it's fine, it worked. I actually meant to put on this L'Oreal Visible Lift Luminous Serum Tint. This is in Pearl. I have been loving this recently. I put this under, okay, we're gonna put on bronzer, don't worry, because right now I look a little bit washed out, but I'm gonna put on bronzer, so fret not. Lately I've been putting this after I put on my primer, before my foundation, and it has been killing the game. Like, it looks so good, but I forgot to do it, so I'm gonna put it on over because I haven't like set anything. So I honestly think that this is okay. And I love glowy makeup. I just think it looks super pretty and everything. So I am not mad about this. And it honestly looks super good over my foundation as well. So if you guys forget to do it, don't worry, you guys can do it under your makeup, over your foundation like I did. So now I'm using this Wet n Wild contour stick. Kind of looks like poop. Okay, not mad about the nose. This is a Real Technique sponge, by the way. Okay, this is like kind of harsh to blend over here. We're just gonna kind of try and blend it away. Not my favorite, especially for my cheeks. I think it got stuck on a pimple. Honestly, not my favorite for my cheeks, but for the rest of my face, I was not mad about it. Also, in person, my face looks so much less pale, so that's good. But now for concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in Medium. So this is a really good concealer. I've always liked this concealer. It's very lightweight, but it also gives good coverage. Putting it on just a couple pimples around my nose or my face. Look how easy that blended. It's just so pretty when it blends. Oh my god, oh, I forgot to blend that. That would have been bad. Yeah, just love this concealer. Okay, so now for my setting powder. I have been a Laura Mercier under eye setting powder girl forever, but we're trying the Airspun powder today. Never have used this in my entire life. Bro, that freaked me out. I'm confused. Okay. It's very messy. Never have used this in my entire life, but we're just gonna go all out and take this wool sponge and put some. Oh wow, I don't even know how did I get it in my hair? Okay, this smells like Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna... Holy smokes. Too messy for me. A little bit. Oh my god, it's in my eye. I kind of had a freak out moment, so I just started like putting it on my face. Smells like baby powder. We're gonna blend some of the bottom out though, just because I don't want the bottom of my face to look really that white. Everything else can just stay. We're gonna do my eyebrows now and let this chill for a minute. Literally looks scary. So I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation brow product. They're not looking so good recently. To set them, I'm going to be using the NYX Control Freak brow gel. I have used this as part of my makeup routine. So now I'm taking the same setting powder as before, the CoverGirl Clean Matte. This is in the shade This is in the shade 535, and I'm going to be buffing out my baking powder. Okay, not bad though. Thought it was going to be a lot worse. So now for bronzer, a powder bronzer, I'm using the Wet n Wild Ticket to Brazil. Haven't used this in a hot minute. So yeah, this is a very, very pretty bronzer. I like it. Now we're going to go back in with our eyeshadow palette and we're going to smoke out our under eyes because I'm feeling it today. So I'm just going to go in with the color that we put all in our crease and just smoke it. And then we're going to take the color that we put in our outer corner and just bring it right on the outer side of our eye. So now for my bottom lashes, I'm going to be taking the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber from L'Oreal, and I'm just going to be taking the second side and just doing my bottom lash. So now for my highlighter, the only highlighter that I have that is, I think this is Drugstore, is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. I'm pretty sure this is Drugstore because it wasn't expensive. I am going to be spraying my brush just lightly. How are ya? So I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie in Push Up. Okay, how are ya? This is a matte liquid lip. And then on top of it, I'm going to be using this Milan lip oil. This is just like the lemon lip oil. Nothing special. I just like it glossy. And this matches my lips, my eyes so perfect, and I love it. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. So this was my Drugstore back to school makeup tutorial. It was super easy and also I think super cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs, and please don't forget to check out Natchal's video. I know that it's going to be great. So yeah, all of her content is, so make sure you check out her channel and the video and just subscribe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, here's the makeup look one more time. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more back to school videos, and I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.